6407 Delta, holding short of runway 26, request left crosswind departure.
Cessna 6407 Delta, front range tower, runway 26, left turn out to south, approved, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26, Cessna 07 Delta. All right, we have our takeoff. Airspeed is alive, engine instruments are in the green. We're looking for 55 knots to rotate the aircraft.
Job 793 request. 2793 tower. Like we enter the pattern, we have a big fuel cell. 2793, roger, enter a
there's 55 knots.
26, and do you require any assistance? Negative, just leaking fuel cap.
And we're airborne.
Temperature 18.
Air Canada.
Dew 07. Altimeter 3019er. Visual approach runway 32 in use. Departing runway 14. Advise on initial contact you have.
This is 70 right here that we're getting ready to go over. That white thing right there, that's the VOR.
Oh yeah.
And so we're actually just going to head straight into that right now at about 6,400 feet. All right, so he's talking about the big bubbles over there, which are the radome. So we'll just head over that way. Other airport. There's somebody is departing that way. Two of them, and then they're going to be coming back up this way. So we'll just have to keep an eye out. And then this is 225, the highway right there.
Okay.
Cessna 07 Delta, traffic just ETA 7000 northwest bound Cessna.
07 Delta, traffic in sight. We'll go behind them and then we'll depart to the northwest.
07 Delta, roger, they're also northwest bound, approved as requested, and for exchange approval, see you.
07 Delta, see you. Which is what we live off of. Do you see that little pond right there?
Yeah.
And then there's a brown building next to it. Shake there.
I think she's in the driver's seat now.
That's 6407 Delta, Denver approach.
207 Delta.
So if you do or do not require run-up and when that run-up is complete, remain on ground control frequency until advised.
Metro Airport, ATIS information Charlie, 1345 Zulu, observation. Wind.
We have information Charlie, Cessna 07 Delta.
Cherokee 47589, ready for takeoff, runway 30 right. Takeoff Kilo, okay, right, we're quickly option 30 right, and we would like to go back to the building.
If you're still on, I don't have any traffic for you.
Beautiful.
Oh, no, you did good.
All right, flaps up, carpet in, and full power.
Wave at the tower.
Looking for 55 knots for the rotate. Engine instruments are all in the green. There's our rotate. Come on, baby.
Metro Tower 603 Victor with you, RNAV 30, or VOR 30 right, we'd like to go touch and go.
603 Victor, Metro Tower, runway 30 right, clear for the
Somebody's
option,
following
and
your
the right
lead.
turn
They
out
weren't
your
gonna think.